Let's start. Hi, good evening, everybody. It's my privilege to welcome all our guests. Kaushik Bhai, FITA President, uh, Devesh Ji, Senior Vice President, Naveen Kumar Gupta Ji, Secretary FITA, all GB members, I could see many of them, Sanjeev Walia Ji, our Tate and FITA mentor Champak Bhai, and also member of FITA founding team Saket ji, Alok ji, Karthik ji. Welcome all of you. Today actually we were expecting a lot of people as during lockdown whatever webinars we conducted we had at least 250 to 300 guys, but probably maybe due to incessant rain and after 3 days of rains, people are running around for making money. That's okay. I mean, we can't help it. Tate has a rich tradition. I mean, we are proud to say that Tate is in 25th year running, and we have rich tradition of following our seniors, our founding people. Right from past president, right from Atul Bhai Mehta of CompuAge, then Saurin Shah, Umang Mehta, Praveen Bhai Doka, he still keeps guiding us. Late Anis Bhai, Ketan Patel, Girish Rathod, Chetan Shah, Parag Shah, Kripa Shankar Chobeji, Rishabh Shah, Champak Bhai, and now we are working under able leadership of Samir Bhai Parekh. Samir Parekh has been a very tough person, but as I have been saying, he's so tough, but it is very easy to work with him. He has been doing a lot of new initiative, and all the Tate members are really so much happy about it. Today we have met for a specific purpose, that is for FITA's e-store initiative. That e-store initiative is being coordinated, very intellectually designed and driven by Karthik ji, and I'm so happy he has been doing it so well. When we talk about FITA, we should go back to foundation of FITA, and I'm glad that entire founding team of FITA is with us today in this meeting. I would request Champak Bhai to say a few words before we start on with e-store demo. Champak Bhai, if you can. Champak Bhai, please say a few words.
Good evening. First of all, I'd like to congratulate all Tate team. 25 साल पूरे हुए, उसपे बहुत खुशी की बात है. Without any losses, but great success in 25 years. And I'm happy to see whole team across the country as well as from Mumbai. काफी लोग आज छुट्टी पे हैं. टाइमिंग जरा थोड़ा गलत हो गया है. बारिश इतनी तेज है और लोग अपने मूड में नहीं है. काफी डीलर्स का माल बिक गए. पानी लेमन डल ने काफी फोन आ रहे हैं, मुझे हेल्प चाहिए इसको. तो फॉर्मिंग I was like representing Tate in long time back. 12 साल रहा Tate के साथ, फिर दूसरे लोग को चांस देना था. Let others take a chance. Well, while with the Tate, we had doing excellent work across the country, but dreamed with my vision something that we should have some body in the national level. Like हम state level पे सब काम.
Champak Bhai, you've gone on mute.
But after national issues like BIS, national branding, Make in India, OLS issues, there are very issues. I just thought of, let's come together and make it India one, and let United we fight. At my tenure, We had been signed many agreements with Taiwan government, met BIS issue and solved many issues on BIS. Also, OLS was really big thing, but we succeeded and bought all the vendors on our table, and then they agreed whatever we wanted to do it, and we had done it and put it under control. Now it's up to next team to take it forward, and anything is required from my side, I'm always there. And समीर भाई स्पेशली 25 साल की तो बहुत जोर से पार्टी होनी चाहिए और सबको जैसे कोरोना चले जावे खुशी का माहौल पूरे हिंदुस्तान तक जाना चाहिए और मैं तो बोलता दुनिया की आवाज में जाना चाहिए. So Viren, you are doing good job. Please carry on. I'll keep silent. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Champak bhai. We are so happy. We are so grateful to all our past presidents who have been just a call away. There is a tradition of asking for advice, and we always get reciprocated by lot of, good handholding. I'm really so happy that even after 25 years, in last webinar, our founding president attended, and he had a few words of wisdom. So we are still connected with all the presidents of last 24 years. That's a good achievement of team year after year. Now we'll go ahead with eStore demo. I think Adnan would start with demo. Any queries if anybody has? Some members have sent couple of queries that will take at end of the session. Any queries if anybody has, Adnan and Karthik ji would attend to it. And still if something is left behind, we can always sort it out on email, or maybe we'll have one more session wherein we can discuss some specific points for clarity. I request Adnan to start with.
Thank you, Viren bhai. Hope I'm audible to everyone.
Yeah.
So good afternoon to everyone. So सभा में उपस्थित सभी सदस्यों को नमस्कार. मैं ग्लोबल लिंकर से हूं और अब मैं आप लोगों को जो eStore सॉल्यूशन है उसका डेमो दूंगा, आपको समझाऊंगा कि किस प्रकार से आप लोग अपना ऑनलाइन स्टोर बना पाएंगे. तो अब मैं अपना स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूं, आप लोगों को मेरा स्क्रीन दिखाई देगा. Second. Hope everyone can see my screen. I'll also minimize this. So you'll get an email activation link on the email. आपको email के ऊपर एक activation link आएगा जिस पे आप क्लिक करेंगे तो इस पेज पे पहुंचेंगे जहाँ पर आपकी email ID पहले से डली हुई होगी. आपको सिर्फ पासवर्ड बनाना है और उसके बाद आपको इस तरह का पेज खुल जाएगा जो कि हमारा फाइटर ग्लोबल लिंकर का पेज है. और eStore प्रोसेस को डिस्क्राइब करने के बाद ताकि हम लोग ऑफ ट्रैक ना हो, मैं वापस इस पे आऊंगा और फाइटर ग्लोबल लिंकर पे eStore के अलावा आप और क्या क्या कर सकते हैं उसके बारे में भी 1 मिनट लेके मैं आपको जानकारी दूंगा. So once I am done with explaining the store creation process, I'll quickly take one moment to also explain to you what all you will be able to do on your fighter global linker account. So let's proceed ahead once this page is open. So for everyone's reference, I'll just go back one step and explain it again because I can still see a few members are joining in. So I'm back on step 1. So you'll get an activation email. You'll get an email with the activation link. You have to click on it. तो आपको एक ईमेल आएगा जिसमें एक्टिवेशन लिंक होगा, उसके ऊपर आपको क्लिक करना है और उसके बाद ये पेज खुलेगा जहां पर आपकी ईमेल आईडी पहले से ही डली हुई होगी, आपको पासवर्ड बनाना है. So on this page your email ID will be already there, so that means your account is already created. You have to just create the password. So once you create the password you'll see this page. तो एक बार आप अपना पासवर्ड बना लेंगे फिर आपको ये पेज दिखाई देगा. ये मैंने डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन के लिए बनाया है आज के. उस पे आपको यहाँ पर ये गेट स्टार्टेड बटन दिख रहा है, इसके ऊपर आपको क्लिक करना है. सो वंस यू हैव ओपनड योर अकाउंट आफ्टर क्रिएटिंग योर पासवर्ड, you'll see this page. Here you have to click on get started and then this page will open up. So we are starting our eStore creation process. now here on this form. तो जैसे ही आपने इस पे get started बटन पर क्लिक करा, ये पेज खुल जाएगा और यहाँ से हम लोग जो हमारा ऑनलाइन दुकान बनाने की प्रक्रिया है उसे प्रारंभ करेंगे। तो यहाँ पर स्टोर का नाम है, आपका जो आप अपने व्यवसाय का नाम यहाँ पर डालेंगे वही नाम यहाँ पर आपको दिखेगा। अब इसमें अगर आपको कोई परिवर्तन करना है, यानी आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी जो ऑनलाइन दुकान है उसका नाम अलग हो, तो आप इसमें परिवर्तन कर सकते हैं। So the store name will be the name of your business, which will be pulled from here. So automatically it will be an auto-generated thing. So if it is okay, you can use it. And if you want to make any changes, so in case you want your store name should be different from what is there for your business or what you're using for your business, you can obviously make a change to it. And based on your business name, system will auto-generate a URL. So for this store that we are creating for today's demonstration, its URL is generated by the system as tag demo store. So you can make changes to this as well. And a general query that a lot of members ask is, it is .linker.store. Can we take it live on our domain? So absolutely yes. But while you're creating your store, you are using our subdomain. तो यहाँ पर जो आपकी ऑनलाइन दुकान की डोमेन है यानी यूआरएल है, जो नाम है जिसको आप ब्राउजर में डाल के अपनी ऑनलाइन दुकान खोलेंगे, वहां पर आपको सिस्टम खुद जनरेट करके दिखाता है आपके कन्वीनियंस के लिए, आपकी सुविधा के लिए। अब इसमें आप अगर परिवर्तन करना चाहते हैं तो आप परिवर्तन कर सकते हैं, अन्यथा आप इसी का उपयोग कर सकते हैं। अब यहाँ पर एक बहुत ही कॉमन क्वेरी आती है, बहुत लोग सवाल पूछते हैं, तो उसका मैं उत्तर पहले से ही दे देता हूँ कि यहाँ पर अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये टैग डेमो store.linker.store बनना है, यानी अगर और सामान्य उदाहरण ले तो starcomputers.linker.store बनना है। अब इसको अगर हमें परिवर्तन करना है यानी अपनी डोमेन के ऊपर चालू करना है तो वो भी हो जाएगा, परंतु जब पहली बार आपकी दुकान बनेगी तो इस पे होगी, इसमें बाद में आप उसे परिवर्तित कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद आपकी ये जानकारी होंगी, आपका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर होगा, एड्रेस होगा, तो इसको आपको डालना है। यहाँ पर एक और जो चीज आपको करनी है वो आपको अपनी गूगल स्टोर की जो लोकेशन है वो आपको यहाँ पर डालनी है। तो यहाँ आपने पता डाला, उसके बाद अपनी गूगल लोकेशन डाल दीजिए तो वो मैप पर भी एग्जैक्टली आ जाएगी। सो आफ्टर यू हैव मेड चेंजेस टू द यूआरएल, इफ रिक्वायर्ड you'll have to enter your contact details, so your phone number will be auto populated, but in case you want you can change it, and your city, pin code, store address. Here is one additional thing, that is your Google location, so that you have to add here, and then you have your first name, last name, and email ID. So these are all again pre-populated. तो यहाँ पर आपने एक बार अपनी जानकारी डाल दी, यानी शहर है, पिन कोड है, पता डाल दिया, गूगल की लोकेशन भी डाल दी, उसके बाद नाम और ईमेल आईडी है। इसमें अगर कोई परिवर्तन करना है तो वो कर लीजिए, अन्यथा कंटिन्यू पर क्लिक करिए और हम अब अगली स्टेज पर जाएंगे। सो वी आर मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन कंटिन्यू, एंड दिस इज द स्क्रीन wherein you'll see the brands that are there. So in case you have these brands well and okay, but in case you don't have any particular brand, you can just deselect it. So all these brands will be pre-selected, but in case you want to make any changes to it, you can obviously do that. तो यहाँ पर आप जितनी भी ब्रांड्स होंगी वो पहले से प्री-सेलेक्टेड आपको दिखाई देंगी। अब इसमें से किसी ब्रांड में अगर आप डील नहीं करते हैं तो उसको आप यहाँ से डीसेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं और उसके बाद आपको नेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करना है। इसको मैं ऊपर मूव कर देता हूँ, जस्ट अ सेकंड, ताकि हमें दिक्कत ना दे। So like I was mentioning, on the screen you'll see all the brands that are there in the central database. So in case you don't deal in any particular brand for today's demonstration, we don't deal in HKI Vision, so we'll just deselect it. तो यहाँ पर इस स्क्रीन में हमें जितनी ब्रांड्स हैं वो यहाँ पर दिखाई देंगी। अब ऐसी अगर कोई ब्रांड है जिसमें हम डील नहीं करते तो हम उसे हटा देंगे। आज के इस डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन में उदाहरण के तौर पर HKI विजन में मैं डील नहीं करता तो मैं उसे हटा दूंगा और बाकी सारी ब्रांड्स का मैंने चयन कर लिया है। अब मैं नेक्स्ट पर क्लिक करूंगा। सो नाउ आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन नेक्स्ट एंड देन आई विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप। It It is taking few seconds. Bear with me, or probably it is because of my connectivity. Let me see if I can change over. Let me try to reconnect. There seems to be a connectivity issue.
Hi, is that issue sorted? Because Adnan is.
Perfect. So that was a network connectivity issue. Finally, we are back online. So apologies for that. नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी की वजह से हमारा कनेक्शन टूट गया था, परंतु अब मैं आशा करता हूं सभी को मेरा स्क्रीन भी दिखाई दे रहा है और हमारा पेज लोड हो गया है। सो अगले पेज के ऊपर जब आप आएंगे तो यहाँ पर आपको जितनी कैटेगरीज में आप डील करते हैं वो आपको यहाँ पर दिखाई देंगी। अब इसमें भी ये बढ़ती जाएगी संख्या समय के साथ, जैसे सेंट्रल डेटाबेस हमारा आगे बढ़ता जाएगा और रिच होता जाएगा, उसी के साथ साथ ये भी आपको ज्यादा दिखेंगी समय के साथ, इसमें एडिशन होता रहेगा। परंतु अगर ऐसी कोई सी चीज है जिसमें आप डील नहीं करते, जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं करते आप, सिर्फ आपके पास एक्सेसरीज, गेमिंग और बाकी चीजें हैं, तो वो भी आपको यहाँ पर दिखाई देंगी। So now in the next screen, you'll see all the categories that are there. Now, these categories obviously with time will keep increasing as we are making our central database richer. But the task that you have to do here is you have to deselect the category that you don't deal in. For instance, you don't deal in software, so you will just deselect it and then click on next to move to the next step. तो यहाँ पर आपने सॉफ्टवेयर को हटा दिया, उदाहरण के तौर पर आप सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं करते तो आपने सॉफ्टवेयर को हटा दिया है और उसके बाद आप नेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करेंगे और अगले स्क्रीन पर जाएंगे और अगले स्क्रीन में यहाँ पर आपको कई सारे थीम और रंगों के विकल्प दिखाई देंगे जिसमें से आप अपनी आवश्यकता अनुसार चयन कर सकते हैं। So now on the next screen you'll see theme and color options. So these are not just the colors, but they are also different themes that you are seeing. So as per your requirement, you can choose any of them. So for instance, if you are choosing this orange one, so we'll just select it. तो यहाँ पर आपको ये अलग अलग थीम भी दिखाई देंगी, जैसे ये ऊपर वाली एक थीम है, उसके बाद ये नीचे की दूसरी है, उसके बाद तीसरी है, तो आपको अलग अलग थीम के विकल्प दिखाई देंगे। अब इसमें से जो भी आप चयन करना चाहें अपनी आवश्यकता अनुसार उसका आप चयन कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद आपको फिनिश सेटअप पे क्लिक करना है। सो वंस यू हैव सेलेक्टेड द थीम, यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन फिनिश सेटअप एंड योर ई-स्टोर क्रिएशन प्रोसेस विल गेट स्टार्टेड। There seems to be another issue. Because of the connectivity issue, it has off-tracked us, so I'll have to redo it. क्षमा चाहता हूँ, हमारा जो कनेक्टिविटी लॉस हुआ था, ऐसे सिस्टम ने मुझे वापस से शुरू वाली स्टेज पे ला दिया है, तो इसको हम लोग एक और बार फिर से कर लेते हैं, वही प्रक्रिया। So because of the connectivity issue, system has moved us back to the first stage, and I'll just quickly do the process. So finally, our store is getting created, and if you might be wondering why I had to redo it, because of the connectivity issue, my connection was broken in middle, so it sent me back to stage 1, and then I have to redo the process. तो अगर आपको लग रहा होगा कि मैंने दोबारा क्यों करा, तो बीच में हमारा कनेक्शन इंटरप्ट हो गया था, तो उसके कारण सिस्टम ने मुझे वापस से स्टेज 1 पे भेज दिया था। वो हमारी ऑनलाइन दुकान बन रही है, कुछ ही पलों में ये तैयार हो जाएगी। So it seems to be taking some time. In the meantime, let's have a quick discussion on FITA Global Linker. तो जब तक ये तैयार होता है, हमारी ऑनलाइन दुकान बनकर तैयार होती है, तो उसमें लग रहा है कुछ समय लग रहा है। तो जब तक ये बन के तैयार होती है, हम लोग चर्चा कर लेते हैं फाइटा ग्लोबल लिंकर के बारे में। तो ये आपका फाइटा ग्लोबल लिंकर का अकाउंट है। तो यहाँ पर ई स्टोर से भी ज्यादा है ग्लोबल लिंकर। आप लोग सभी के संदर्भ के लिए मैं बता देता हूँ, हम लोग एक एसएमई नेटवर्किंग प्लेटफॉर्म है, और हम छोटे सूक्ष्म और छोटे बिजनेसेस व्यापारों को मदद करते हैं अपना व्यापार बढ़ाने के लिए डिजिटाइजेशन के माध्यम से। तो हमारा जो उद्देश्य है वो है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा बिजनेसेस, खासतौर पे छोटे बिजनेसेस को की मदद करना कि वो डिजिटाइज हो पाए और अपना व्यापार ऑनलाइन माध्यम से बढ़ा पाए। तो ऑनलाइन स्टोर जिसको आप अभी देख रहे हैं वो एक सोल्यूशन है हमारा। उसके अलावा हम लोग प्रयास करते हैं कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा हम जानकारी भी दे पाए, नई जानकारी, क्योंकि उद्यमी या जो बिजनेस ओनर्स हैं उनके पास बहुत कम समय होता है, वो अपने आप को अपडेट नहीं कर पाते हैं लेटेस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन से। तो उसके लिए हमारे पास पूरी नॉलेज सीरीज है, इसमें जस्ट हम समय समय पे आर्टिकल्स डालते रहते हैं। उसके अलावा हम उसके अंदर काफी सारी एसएमई इंस्पिरेशन स्टोरीज भी करते हैं, ताकि उससे प्रोत्साहित हो सके उद्यमी जो कि ग्लोबल लिंकर से जुड़े हुए हैं। उसके अलावा काफी सारे इवेंट्स होते हैं जो कि अलग अलग संस्थाएं करती हैं, तो उसमें भी वो अपनी आवश्यकता अनुसार भाग ले सकते हैं। उसके अलावा ग्रुप्स बने हुए हैं जिसके अंदर उद्यमी भाग ले सकते हैं और अपने लाइक माइंडेड या इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप्स के अनुसार वहां पर चर्चा कर सकते हैं और लोगों से भी नेटवर्किंग कर सकते हैं। उसके अलावा ऑफर्स हैं, तो जो कॉमन सर्विसेज हैं जो हर एक व्यापार के लिए चाहिए होती हैं, वो सब हमने इसमें जोड़ी हुई हैं, जिनको फिर से काफी डिस्काउंट के साथ, काफी भारी छूट के साथ उद्यमी यहाँ से ले सकते हैं। और ऑनलाइन स्टोर के बारे में तो आपको पता ही है। उसके अलावा नेटवर्किंग की फंक्शनैलिटी है, तो आप आराम से नेटवर्क कर सकते हैं, दूसरे उद्यमियों से आप ढूंढ सकते हैं जो और उद्यमी हैं आपके क्षेत्र में, या आपको जिनको ढूंढना है तो वो आप आसानी से ढूंढ सकते हैं, उनसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। तो नेटवर्किंग कोर है। उसके अलावा हम लोगों ने उसके अलावा आपको अपना व्यापार बढ़ाने के लिए क्या क्या चीजें चाहिए, तो वो भी हमने यहाँ पर सुविधाएं दी हुई हैं। और उसके अलावा सभी की मदद के लिए, और खासतौर पे जितने ऑनलाइन स्टोर बन रहे हैं और उनको मार्गदर्शन की जरूरत होती है, तो हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर एक ई कॉमर्स सेलर ग्रुप भी बनाया हुआ है। ये है ई कॉमर्स सेलर ग्रुप। तो इसके अंदर जितने भी ऑनलाइन स्टोर बनते हैं उनके सदस्य यहाँ पर खुद ही जुड़ जाते हैं, और उसके अंदर हम लोग जानकारी डालते रहते हैं समय समय पर जो कि उस चीज से रिलेटेड है। जैसे ये एक आर्टिकल हमारे स्टाफ ने करा है, तो वो आपको यहाँ दिख रहा है। कल मैंने जो ऑनलाइन सेशन करा था उसकी भी मैंने यहाँ पर डिटेल्स डाली थी, तो वो आपको यहाँ नीचे दिख जाएंगी। अभी लोड हो रही है पोस्ट। तो इस प्रकार से ये जो हम लोग सेशन करते हैं उसकी जानकारी यहाँ भी डालते हैं, और जो सदस्य अपनी ऑनलाइन दुकान बना रहे हैं उनको भी मिलती है। सो नाउ आई बिलीव लेट्स चेक इट वेदर इट इज क्रिएटेड। Yes, it is created, but let me again take a quick moment and share what Global Linker is. So, as I mentioned, Global Linker is a SME networking platform, and we help micro and small businesses in growing their business through digitization. So, the problem that we are addressing is the digitization or going online. So, we help businesses in going and growing online. And what you're seeing is your FITER Global Linker account. So, online store, you are aware that the solution we are currently demoing. In addition to that, Global Linker is a lot more than that. So at core, we are a networking platform, so you can obviously network with other business owners very easily if you have entire functionality here. Other than that, you can do posts about your business. And then we have a knowledge series, because for business owners, because of paucity of time, because you are always busy working on growing your business, you don't have time to read about modern developments that are happening in your business, or to enrich your knowledge. So to do that, we do a lot of knowledge series articles, and along with that, we do SME inspiration stories. So to incentivize or motivate the members, sharing inspiring stories about SMEs who have already grown their business exponentially over the period. Other than that, you have events functionality. So there are a lot of events happening, and member, as per their interest and requirement, can participate in any of the events. We have groups created. So these are interest-based groups. So as per your requirement, you can participate in any of the groups and interact and engage with the members. We have also created a group for the benefit and help of members who are creating their online stores. So we keep on posting relevant content and information about training classes or meetups that we do. So all that information is posted on these groups, and members can freely interact with our staff as well in case they need any help. Other than that is listing and offers. So offers are basically common services which are required by all the businesses. So these are like logo design services, trademark registration services, etc., etc. These are again all pre-negotiated and available to FITER Global Linker members at a deep discounted price. An online store we are already discussing. So as our store is created, let's move back to our demo. So our store is created, and now on the screen it shows us at what time we would like to connect or participate in the training sessions. So as per our requirements, so whether we want to participate today or tomorrow, we can select the date. अब यहाँ पर अगले स्क्रीन पर जैसे ही आपकी ऑनलाइन दुकान बन जाएगी, अगले स्क्रीन पर आपको चयन करना होगा कब आप ट्रेनिंग क्लास में भाग लेना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन दुकान तो बना ली, लेकिन उसको कैसे आप आगे बढ़ा पाएंगे, उसको कैसे सेटअप कर पाएंगे, उसका संचालन कैसे कर पाएंगे, उसके बारे में भी जानना बहुत जरूरी है। तो उसके लिए वहां पर सदस्यों का मार्गदर्शन करने के लिए, उनको जानकारी देने के लिए हम लोग हर दिन सप्ताह में 6 दिन मंडे से सैटरडे ट्रेनिंग क्लासेस करते हैं, और उसमें आप भाग ले सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पर आप चयन करेंगे किस दिन आप भाग लेना चाहेंगे, उसके बाद आप कंटिन्यू पे क्लिक करेंगे और आपका डिटेल्स आपके पास पहुंच जाएंगी कि किस तरह से आपको इसमें भाग लेना है। और उसके बाद आप अपने सेलर पैनल के ऊपर आ जाएंगे। तो ये आपकी ऑनलाइन दुकान का सेलर पैनल है जो अभी आपको अपने सामने दिख रहा है। तो वंस यू हैव selected the date on which you would want to attend the training session, you'll move on to the seller panel. This is the seller panel of your online, and this is the dashboard where you'll see all the details and analytics about your online store. तो ये आपका डैशबोर्ड है जहां पर आपको सारी एनालिटिक्स वगैरह मिलेगी, और ज्यादा जानकारी हम लोग जो हमारा ट्रेनिंग क्लास होती है वहां पर तो मैं बहुत विस्तार में बताता हूँ कि इसमें कहाँ कौन सी चीज है, बट सभी के संदर्भ के लिए मैं कुछ जो आवश्यक चीजें हैं या आपके सवाल होंगे जिनके आसपास, वो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। तो यहाँ पर आपको जितने भी उत्पाद इसमें डले हैं, यानी जिनका भी हम लोगों ने चयन करा, वो यहाँ पर प्रोडक्ट सेक्शन में दिखाई देंगे। So it is also loading up, and slow down. Unfortunately, network connectivity is pretty bad today, and let me आज क्षमा चाहता हूँ, नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी काफी बुरी है, तो बार
Yeah,
बार ये ऑफलाइन हो
unfortunately,
जा रहा
we
है
are all
सिस्टम. मैं
dependent on that.
अपना कनेक्शन चेंज करके देखता हूँ, शायद उससे कुछ फर्क पड़े.
Not a problem. Take your time. I mean, we are all dependent on net, unfortunately. So,
Yes, it was all working fine as we were starting the session, but somehow it has gone haywire. Let me try. No. So this is a kind of a creative that we share with our members. So this is for today's training session that we'll be doing. तो ये क्रिएटिव है जो कि हम लोग अपने सदस्यों के साथ शेयर करते हैं. तो क्या क्या टॉपिक के बारे में हम चर्चा करेंगे वो यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ किस दिन है, किस समय है, वो सारी जानकारी और लिंक भी हम लोग इसके साथ शेयर करते हैं. And in addition to this, we have also created a WhatsApp group, so where we are adding all the members who are creating their store, so that in case they need any help, they can immediately message us and we can reach out to them instantaneously. यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने एक WhatsApp ग्रुप भी बनाया हुआ है फाइटर ग्लोबल लिंकर के सदस्यों के लिए. तो अगर किसी सदस्य को कभी आवश्यकता है, सहायता चाहिए, तो वो तुरंत ही हम लोगों से संपर्क कर पाए. तो उस संदर्भ में हम लोगों ने इसे बनाया हुआ है. मैं क्षमा चाहता हूँ, ये किसी कारणवश बिल्कुल चलना ही बंद हो गया है. So we will try it one more time. If it works well and good, otherwise I'll not waste any more time. I'll request Mr. Karthik to take over then. No, it is not working. So I'll stop my screen share and then we can break for a question answer round. If any member has a question, kindly feel free to ask. अगर आपका कोई सवाल है तो कृपया अपना सवाल पूछिए. और उसके लिए मैं क्षमा चाहता हूँ कि नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी की वजह से एकदम ही वो बंद हो गया है और अभी चल नहीं रहा है.
no, that's fine. We'll try to arrange one more session maybe.
Sure. I'll be more than happy to.
Yeah, so we'll talk to Karthik ji on that. Any questions? Okay. Before somebody shoot his question, I have a couple of questions received from some of our members who are in touch with IT fraternity, and probably some of their friends have created stores. So I was asked that if we create e-store,
Sure.
do we also have to go for SSL certificate?
SSL certificate is required only if you want to take your online store live on your domain. So I'll explain it with an example.
All right. So if I continue using my FITA Global Linker extension, that's okay.
Absolutely. So if you understand this with an example, if it is starcomputers.linker.store, so you don't need an SSL, but if you want to take it live on starcomputers.com or starcomputers.in, then obviously you need an SSL because SSL is linked with the domain.
All right. And how easy it is. I mean, as we are saying that within 2 hours your store is up and running, but
right.
Then is it really that way? Because people are finding it difficult to design it the way they want.
No, so the store gets ready within 10 to 15 minutes max, and then payment activation, whatever time it takes. In 2 to 4 hours, you can be ready, up and running. In fact, within 10 minutes, your store is ready and you can start receiving your orders. Now, customization, obviously, that is a personal taste. So that will totally depend on how the person wants to customize it. So obviously, personalization takes time, but the standard store which is there with the pre-created banners and images, everything gets created within 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay, and we can stuff our products also within some time. I mean, that's not a.
Yeah, absolutely.
Magan bhai, you have given thumbs up or you have raised your hand? I mean, कुछ पूछना है क्या आपको?
Can we edit our store after creating that store?
Yes sir, absolutely. Your store आप ही की दुकान है, तो आप उसमें जो परिवर्तन करना चाहते हैं कर सकते हैं. You can obviously edit your store.
Can we edit theme also?
Yes, you can change the theme also. The store that gets created, you are choosing a theme and a color scheme. So that when your store gets created, it is not looking blank. So you have something to look nice, and that's how it gets ready in 10 minutes. Now going forward, whatever theme you want or whatever color scheme you want, whatever banner you want, you can change all that. It is totally customizable.
Okay, thank you.
Anybody else? Any questions?
I wanted to ask. My name is Satish.
Yes, Mr. Satish.
The products specification, everything can be uploaded.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay, with the pricing, everything, payment gateway is there.
Yes, payment gateway is there. So payment gateway is activated after the store is created. So we have a team that helps our members in getting their store payment gateway activated. Right.
Okay.
So store gets created with all their product information, images, etc. So now the connection is restored, and I'll just quickly share my screen and show it to you how it is looking like. So just a quick second. Hope everyone on my screen. So this is the store that we had just created, and this is the seller panel. I'll go back to the store. So this is one of the products that I have just opened. So it's a laptop, and along with the images, it is all created. And I'll just go back to the laptop category. So how it is looking. So we have laptops. We are in the laptop category. So you can see all the brands which are there. Then processor and all other information is also available for us to filter out which type of product. For instance, we are looking for Acer laptops. I can select those, and these are the laptops which are available. I can click on the product and I can view the information. So this is all pre-created and available for you within 10 to 15 minutes. You don't have to do the effort of arranging the images or arranging the information. It all gets pre-populated within 10 to 15 minutes, and your store is ready. So now all you have to do is to upload your logo, get the payment gateway activated, and you are all good to go. And by the way, we are seeing the admin preview. That's why you are seeing these yellow dots. Otherwise, your customers will not see any of these. So it will be a totally complete store. So the brands that are there, say if I'm looking for Lenovo, I'll just click on Lenovo and I'll see all the Lenovo products that are there on my store. So this is how the store gets created. I wanted everyone to have a feel. So we are seeing that we are creating the store, but this is the actual end product that comes out. And it is available for you to utilize to start retailing. Now everything is customizable. We can change the color scheme, we can change the banner. So all that is possible. So you can obviously at later stage, you can customize it as per your taste and as per your requirement. These are all placeholder images that we have uploaded so that once your store gets ready, it looks nice. All right, so this was a quick view of the store that we just created.
Okay. Now the payment gateway which is there,
Sure.
This will be going to a common account. Suppose you want to map it to our account.
No, it will not be going to a common account. It will be to your account only. So that's why there is an activation process that will happen. And in most of the cases, it is an instant activation. However, even if there's a KYC process done, then within 2 days, your account will get activated.
Okay. For the user, it will be as good as a private e-portal website
Yeah.
And
So
at the background, though this would be the engine, but for the user, it'll be a website which is of the owner, like for our company, right?
Absolutely. So this e-store is your business's e-store. So
Okay.
I was giving a Star Computers example. So imagine Star Computers is a physical shop, and now they want to go online. So it is Star Computers online store which is available now. If their customers want to go online instead of visiting their store, which is kind of a difficult thing in these days, so they can easily go online, select the product, and place the order.
Okay. So can we use Google AdWords to
Absolutely,
make?
sir. Absolutely. Everything is available. You can integrate Google Analytics. You can integrate your Facebook Pixel ID. You can advertise it, and you can bring your customers, and all that integration and capabilities are all available, and they are all simplified. So you don't have to do the coding bit of it. It is all copy paste, and you can start integrating them. So Google Tag
Even
Manager, Analytics, everything is integrated.
even SEO we can do.
Yeah, absolutely. So the meta update, so for every section we have given provisions. You can even update the meta title, keywords, and description in bulk using Excel files.
Okay. Thank you.
My pleasure. Any other question? Any other member who would want to anything or who have a question?
Anybody else?
Yeah, where is the starting point for this, and how do you get onto this particular platform? Is there any other additional registration required, or it's already available to TATE members?
Let me explain that. At FITA, what we've done is we have kept this for all the members. Members of FITA are the associations, and TATE is also a part of FITA. We have the process wherein we have an addendum to be signed by the respective members on the for this process to get started. At present, we have already 25 or 27 states already who are linked into this. You just have to, once TATE is in principle okay to take up this, we have the Viren Bhai has the process. Once you sign up, we'll be able to get the list either from TATE, or we can send a registration link. You can do a registration, and then we will confirm whether the members are the registered members with your governing body, and then send in a payment link for which you can make a payment, and you get an automatic activation link to set up your store.
Thank you.
Yeah. Girish Bhai has some question. Girish Bhai, please unmute yourself and ask.
Am I audible?
Yes, please.
Since this is a personal e-store, once the store is set up, then what would be the role of FITA or Global Linker in that?
Let me explain. If it's an e-store, and the platform which is provided and all the features which are, it is Global Linker. FITA's role is already, we are coordinating with the brands and getting all the updated catalogs for you. And there's a central catalog which is getting created, with which you can update your products, everything from the catalog. So that is the role FITA will be doing. And as a web committee, to give a little bit of insight, FITA is the web committee or the FITA entire team is working towards empowering our brick and mortar members across the country, because today it requires an empowerment, and by doing this, today we are able to see several thousand stores getting created, where people are now getting e-enabled for their own customers. They're able to have their e-presence to serve their customers. So FITA is not stopping with this. This is the first project. We have further things coming up in a month or two. We will come to you with a clear solution, which will be very exciting for all our members.
So how frequent would the updates and changes happen on the catalog portion?
It is we are aligned. The brands are aligned. We have a team who's sitting regularly to update this. So there cannot be any delay. As long as the brand is sharing it, immediately we'll have it done, and we have a proper understanding with the brands. So whatever catalogs you saw in the demo store, it's all updated till yesterday. So that much we are updated, and the brands are committed to update the products. The product teams are aligned with the FEITA team.
So as of now, how many brands are under this portfolio?
Currently, we have all the major brands which we could contact, which we are very well aware of. There are very small brands at FEITA level, we will not be even talking. But once the members who would like to have this brand aligned, if they can put us across to those people, we can have it, have the product catalogs updated. On the other side, if you want to create your own catalogs, you're free to do your own catalogs as well. There's a provision to create catalog by yourself. But then on the brands which are the leading brands, we would prefer you to use a central catalog, because specifications, the bundle codes or whatever will be precisely because we get it directly from the brand, which is available in the central catalog.
All right. Thank you so much.
Is this only a B2B, B2C, or is it also can be used for a B2B kind of a thing?
It can be used for B2B.
Custom catalog for every customer?
Catalog is available for you in the central catalog. As far as this platform, currently you're using it for B2C to your customer, your individual store. But what we are working towards is to enable B2B also, and we will also be working on a marketplace kind of a scenario, without the principles of FEITA being very clearly that we need to protect every tier member. So we will be adhering to that, and we'll also be adhering in such a way that it doesn't violate the brand per se, because your B2B, if you have your own brand and you're free to sell anywhere, those things will be opened up very quickly. I think we are almost there. The platform can enable you to do that. But there are brands which say that, you need to restrict that, this B2B is only for a particular territory. So we are working on that modalities. We'll come to you in such a way that, it doesn't affect anyone, and we have a healthy platform.
Devang has put a question in chat. Can the user create categories? I think yes, but Karthik would be able to.
But the products, you have your own brands, you have your own products, you can create your own catalog, and you can add it up. Yes,
absolutely.
He's asking about categories, like maybe printer, cartridge.
So probably one of the members is doing a camera, or they're asking like that, Adnan. So they can add the categories as well, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You'll be able to add your own categories for the products that you are doing, in addition to whatever you have pulled from the central catalog. So obviously you can do that.
Okay, great.
At FEITA, we have been, working towards, connecting to the last mile. And this project of ours, which is not only e-enabling all our members, I'm able to see, I just received a update on my mobile phone with my own parent, Confed ITA. My town, which is just close 40 kilometers away from my hometown, Coimbatore, which is a place called as Pollachi. There are 15 members there e-enabling themselves. We are able to see small partners, small members who are otherwise not even able to think about it is getting e-enabled. And we are able to have a last mile connectivity. Once this platform is up, we will be able to have, at FEITA, we'll be able to have a last mile connectivity in terms of driving learnings, driving knowledge, driving trainings. We'll be able to do a whole lot of things for our members.
Navlakha ji has some question, I suppose.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Very good evening, Navlakha.
Sir, very small query from member side. There are so many other brands like Toshiba, Seagate, D-Link, Brother, Net. There are so many brands. So all these will be added in future.
Yes, sir. Very much will be added. Yes.
Okay. So there are so many models. People are doing different brands. So
there are about 250 brands. What we could list down. Okay. FEITA office has already listed down 250 plus brands.
Great.
Then we need to get connected. See, at FITA, what is happening, wherever we could connect, where we are in touch, we have done that. And if you all can recall the mails, messages, what I've sent to all the members right from the day one, is that, please connect us with your brands. So we will be able to take the care of, and we are able to see the brands are extremely happy about the initiative taken by us. Unlike the other way of approach to brands in terms of arm twisting, always trying to telling them this is wrong, that is wrong. Now today we are enabling them to have an additional. It's a value addition for our members, and we have an exciting news which we'll be able to open it out in a couple of days, where it is a huge brand which is aligned with FITA in terms of the entire partner network. They are bringing entire people into this platform. That will be exciting news, and we have a lot more exciting things which are happening around FITA, and we are sure that all our members stand to get benefited, and that's the aim, is to see how we increase the market share for our members.
If any brand given by member, we can forward you. You will be help them to.
We will be immediately working on it. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Fine. So now I think there is no question. We can close. Thank you so very much to State Mentor, FITA Mentor, and FITA Founding President Champak Bhai for being here. I would extend my gratitude, my thanks to Kaushik Bhai Pandya, FITA President, Devesh Rastogi ji, Senior Vice President FITA, Naveen Kumar Gupta ji, Secretary FITA, all GB member. Naulakha ji also joined from Northeast. Thank you, Naulakha ji. I would wish Samir Parekh would have been with us. I mean, probably more active, but then he's kind of person मैं हूँ ना, तो आज किसी और के लिए उनको compulsory जाना पड़ा. He was on a service mission actually, so maybe next time we'll catch him up. Thank you, Saket ji, Alok ji, and everybody else for attending. Thank you so much, Adnan and Akshay, and Karthik ji, as usual. Thank you very much for taking out time and explaining things. We'll catch up once again, maybe soon. Thank you very much. Thanks, everybody.
Handling it. Great work. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.